How to fix could not connect to iCloud. The number cannot be used at this time. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix could not connect to iCloud. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. First of all, what you might want to do is check for your iPhone software. So go to your settings, locate your settings app and open it up. And right here, go to general. Search for general and open it up. Inside here, you'll find software update option. Tap on it and check for any software updates available. Now, sometimes these small glitches happen because of your software not being up to date to the latest one. So if you see an update like this available, tap on update now and then update to the latest one. After you update it, check if the problem's been fixed. Before that, you can also swipe down from the top right and check for your background, Wi-Fi. So search for Wi-Fi. There, make sure you're connected to a good and strong internet connection. If not, you can also use your mobile data. After that, finally, what you might want to do is check your location services. To do that, go to your settings. On your settings, to go to your location services, what you'll need to do is just search for location services on the top here. Simply search for location and there you find it. Open that up and right here make sure that you've toggled the button on there. If you've toggled the button on, you can then head back, and after you're here you might want to create a new Apple account as well while you're at it. So just go ahead to a web browser, search for account.apple.com, and after you're on this website, there you will be able to create a new account for yourself. So simply just tap on the top right here, tap on create your account and simply fill out this form. After you fill out the form, you can tap on continue and your account will get created. And it's that simple, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.